preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Good. Excellent. Oh, we're on to the young ones. Fantastic. We have two. And now we hear there is another. A new Jedi. One who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name? Yes, Rey. What Rey is leading right now is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for, an awakening in the Force. And that is why the Force has brought you here. Now, to build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the Force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. Let's start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Some would call the kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, the Sage Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We are here for you. The future. It's time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these shines brightest. Now open your eyes and take your kyber crystal. Excellent. Now take your kyber crystals, place them on the green crystal holders there in front of you. Because now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It is your center of control. And it's the part that your hands will disintegrate, which is very important. In the box in front of you, you'll find the parts you selected outside. And we will lead you through the process of putting it all together in a minute. But first, let's talk about what's in the box. If you look at it from the left, first you'll find your chassis. Then columns 1 and 2 are your grips. Column 3 is emitters, 4 are pommel caps, and 5 are two matched pairs of activation plates. Look up at the gatherer in front of you. They will lead you through this. And so, my friends, let's build.
We're going to start off with your task here. Go ahead and pick that up for me. And pick up your kyber crystal. Beautiful. Now we're going to insert this like you would have. This top plate does push up. You want to push up and then slide the kyber crystal in. This will be the hardest part of your saber. It will look a lot like this. If you guys need my help at all, you can be fantastic. Just gonna adjust it.
It does help.
Sorry, it works like a little bit. Beautiful job. No problem. Now you can take out a set of activation plates for me. Now, when you have your set, you're going to notice inside there's a red and a blue square. So you want to make sure you line them up with the matching ones on your chassis. So you have those on red, and this line is on blue. So you want to make sure when you look inside, you see a red and blue square. You're going to line them up to put red on red and blue on blue. Push them in place. Alright. Do me a favor, flip that swing out of me. So you push the switch up. So the other way. So you just push this up. Push it back down. Alright, do me a favor. Push that switch up. Yes, push it back down. Beautiful job, you guys. Go ahead and look at steps number 1 and 2. You're going to notice that there is a thicker end to these sleeves. Make sure that thicker end goes toward the middle, and then you push down to twist to lock them, whether it's on top or on the bottom. Alright. Now we're going to notice on your sleeve you have a bronze. Okay, you want to make sure that goes toward the middle, and then you push down and twist to lock them into place, whether it's on top or on the bottom. That's the number 1. Any two you will. Okay, perfect. So you push down. Okay, so I think we need one from the top and one from the top frame. Is that right? So pick one from the top. Do you like this one? Do you like this one? Alright, and then do me a favor, put that switch again. Push it back down. And now you're going to pick out your emitter, put it on top, and then twist it like a bottle. I think we got this box. Oh, twist it backwards. I'm so sorry. You're okay. No, so you can go like that. Okay, so you go here. Just make sure the bronze is going to be toward you. You're okay. You keep your down. Good job. Now that bubble cap goes on the bottom, same concept. You're going to twist it on the bottom. Beautiful. To be careful, that's what you're going to do. You're going to flip this switch again. Push it back down. Now you're going to pick out your emitter and then twist it on top of the bottom. Yes, okay. Do you like your saber? Alright, friend, when Ken may instruction to do so, you're going to flip the switch upward. He's going to tell the entire group to activate at once. Alright? Welcome to batu. Yeah, by 1 second.
The heavier blaster bolts more effective. E-Web, ATST bolts, because it cycles the blade energy faster. So it's a workhorse. What color is your crystal, my friend? Purple. Excellent. And yours? You'll be able to cut the glass sheet through that saber. Beautiful work. That matches the look perfectly, my young friend.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Take a moment, my friends. Breathe. You'll build the hilt of your lightsaber. Now's the dangerous part. Leave your saber at your station and back up as far as you can, please. Right now, the Maverick's going to insert your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. We must stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This is dangerous. If something is misaligned, you can have a large expansion of energy in a very short amount of time, which is also known as an explosion. So, before we do anything else, I'll send a test signal through the chamber system. Great job there, Megan. Good. Good. Now, this control panel connects to these chambers in a series of feedback. What's happening?
Many are still now joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Yes, Master Yoda. is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward, to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch, not pulling, all together we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your lightsaber. Activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers! You have built a lightsaber! Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you! And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, in a moment we will release you all to receive your saber sheaths from Jacqueline before you continue your journey into the outpost. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate! Till the spire!
Till the spire!
Now, my friends, go forth. Receive your saber sheaths. Until we meet again, may the spires keep you.